Apple's 9th Gen iPad is here, and if you're experiencing a sense of déjà vu, you're not alone. It follows the same formula as its predecessors with just two key changes: a faster A13 Bionic processor and an upgraded 12-megapixel front-facing camera with center stage. After 6 days of testing, we can confidently say this iPad is for anyone looking for a budget-friendly tablet that still packs plenty of power. If you already own a 7th or 8th Gen iPad, there's little reason to upgrade unless you need more performance. Performance-wise, the 9th Gen iPad keeps up with most tasks, from web browsing to productivity apps. Thanks to the A13 Bionic chip, multitasking in split view and slide over is smooth. While it's not a revolutionary jump from the A12 Bionic, the new processor ensures longevity, making it a smart buy for classrooms, families, or even as a first tablet for kids. A major benefit of the A13 Bionic is its neural engine, enabling advanced machine learning features. With iPadOS 15, users can scan and copy text from images and even translate on the fly. While heavy-duty video editing or design work is better suited to an iPad Pro, this model handles everyday tasks with ease. Benchmarks show a noticeable improvement over the previous generation, with the 9th Gen iPad scoring 1,334 in single-core and 3,272 in multi-core Geekbench 5 tests. Battery life also sees a boost, lasting 9 hours and 45 minutes in continuous video playback, 25 minutes longer than its predecessor. The most exciting upgrade is the new 12-megapixel front-facing camera, the same one found in the iPad Pro. This replaces the old 1.2-megapixel lens, significantly improving video calls and selfies. The addition of Apple's center stage keeps you in frame as you move, making video calls more dynamic and engaging. The 10.2-inch Retina display remains unchanged, but now features True Tone technology, which adjusts color temperature based on your surroundings for a more comfortable viewing experience. The classic design with thick bezels and a home button remains, but this familiar layout makes the device easy to hold. Ultimately, the 9th Gen iPad isn't a game changer, but it does refine Apple's entry-level tablet formula. For $329, it offers great performance, a solid display, and meaningful camera improvements. If you're using an older iPad, now is a great time to upgrade, but if you have last year's model, you might want to hold off for now.